Hello, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties and I'm shooting video of homes that come on the market. This one's been redone. We're at 6244 Ocean Terrace. Ocean Terrace is this street here. Crest is on the other side of those over there. And we're at the top of Palos Verdes with nothing but huge view on the other side. Really cool garage doors. Nice. Look at the cabinetry. Very clean. And they have like an ADU up here. Something. Let's take a peek. Yeah, just a studio. Nice bath, all seamless. This is beautiful hardwood, it's bleached. Wow, nice. This is gorgeous. Wow, it's walnut, I think. That's really pretty. Nice work. Gorgeous. So this is the back view. It's a nice view, but this is nothing compared to the other side. So, pretty nice big wide walkway. So we got a little gate here as we come in. We go over the pool moat. Very pretty, serene. And on in. All right, stepping on in, gorgeous. High ceilings. That's got to be 20 feet. And then huge room, and oh my God, look at the view. This is incredible. Wow. I love the fireplace. That is gorgeous the way they bend that. And then we just come out here to sheer elegance. Hi. Oh, so the doors all bifold. That's really nice. Very nice doors. So they open up wide, and then you're just, darn, there's a view. This is incredible. So there's the Abalone Cove, and then Portuguese Bend, and then the golf course, and then Point Furman. And then so Catalina would be about here, over to here, and then Santa Barbara Island over there. Beautiful, absolutely huge view, and look at all the preserve. Lots of hiking trails and stuff as we sit over Coastside, Bay Club, and then Terranea there. Wow. This is just incredible. Wow. You can imagine just hiking and being involved here. This is beautiful. How nice. Wow. Big. I can't even believe how high these doors are. They're like 16 feet. That's just not very common. That's incredible. This is probably dining. That's amazing. Here's our kitchen. Incredible. Very nice. Look at that. Oh, how do you get in? How do you push it? That's nice. Wow. I mean, pretty amazing. So this is family room. Get the pond. Huge view. Big room. Nice fireplace. Direct out to the pool. This is a social room. Very nice. Wow, so they have primary over here. Nice flooring. Beautiful doors. Wow, this is a bath. This is like 2 bedrooms just in the bath. It's huge. There's a lot of space. You could put an island in here. I mean, this is like 15 feet across. Never seen this before. So double shower and a steam. So this is the actual shower, and then they have a steam shower. This is just a ton of room. Here is your primary. Nice little platform for your bed. You can stare out at the whales, dolphins, all that in the sunset. What a great perch. Wow, amazing. And a closet. Wow, the mirrors make it really cool. Big closet. Let's go this way. So here's the other garage. 2-car. It's a washroom here. It's laundry. And storage. With a bathroom, so it's more than storage. So it's a bedroom, maid's room, something like that. So far, everything has been en suite. I love that floor. Look at the stitch. It's really cool. Wow, the ceilings are very high. Huge room. This is a huge room. Wow. Massive. This could be a second primary. It's not as big as the other one, but it's really nice and a great view. Really special. The hallway, I mean, the ceiling height is just incredible. A lot of room. This is like another primary almost, but it's like a big workout room. It's not, but it could be. It's just a big room. Massive. Really neat. Well, this is living right on the ocean. Pretty neat. I'm blown away at the height of these windows, how special this is. This is awesome. So, gotta get my shot here. I think this is amazing. If you're looking for a home and want some spectacular view, then let's check this place out, because this is a good one. You're living at the end of the world. So, again, thanks for watching and make it a great day.